In this video, I'm going to show you how to use purchase orders in Xenios. The PO app is a way to streamline the PO process and make everything a whole lot easier. To add a new purchase order, simply click on the Add New button. This is how you submit a new PO. So first you choose which department to submit to. I'm going to say that this is going to go to equipment. And you can choose from vendors or add a new vendor. I'm going to create one called Camera Company and choose the category as electronics. And I can add more information about that vendor from contact, contact title, phone, cell, email, address, website, and notes. But for now, I'm just going to put Camera Company. Now Camera Company appears as the vendor. Okay, as the item, I'm going to say camera. I'm going to say we needed one and that it cost $2,500. I can choose the type if this was a purchase, a rental, or service. I'm going to say purchase. I can choose when the rental is returned, if it is a rental, and if it's an asset. I can also add another line if I was purchasing more items from Camera Company. You can also attach files, so if you want to submit with an invoice, you can do that. Then you can choose what the status is, if it's a draft or waiting for approval. And then you can choose someone on your team to send the PO to. When you assign a PO to someone, they get an email alert saying that they need to approve or decline the PO. And then you click Save PO. Now the PO appears in my purchase order apps with who it's assigned to. You will only see the POs that you created or that were assigned to you. You can see all POs if you click on the PO log button, but you need to have permission to see it. Otherwise, this button won't appear. If you're an admin on the project, then you can set who can see the PO log button by clicking on the permissions button when in the PO log app. To print or email the PO, simply click on it, then click the print button. You'll have to enter in some information about your company, but once you do, it'll appear in your browser and you can either print it or save it as a PDF and email it out to someone on your team. Also, once the PO is created, you can change the status. So before I showed you, you could set the status as a draft or waiting for approval. Once it's created, you can do waiting for a check request, waiting for payment, paid, or canceled, and then you can save the PO with that status. And if I click on PO log, I can see all my purchase orders. This is how you use the purchase order app in Xenios. As always, if you have any questions, just click on support.